So how do I kill a werewolf with this? Do I just throw it at him? Is that how that works? I just throw it at him and he dies? What's going on, everybody? My name is John. You're watching Soul Post, and this is another Soul Post unboxing. Today we have up for review is the Air Vapormax 97 Silver Bullet. Now this is a trend that Nike's been doing where they take OG silhouettes and they give them the new Vapormax sole, kind of giving it a little bit of new life. Previously we had the Air Vapormax Plus and also the Air Vapormax 97 Neon or Japan, which was another OG colorway that was adapted with the Vapormax sole. Let's take a look at the box. The box is a standard Nike sportswear box and the color code on it is metallic silver and university red. Now let's take a look at the shoe. The shoe has the classic Air Max 97 upper with the overlaid panels and the 3M upper. You've got metallic silver, you've got hits of white, and you've got hits of gray all around the shoe. Also, you've got the mesh detailing that wraps around the toe cap into the heel and back around again. You've got a mesh metallic silver tongue with the black and red Nike swoosh right on the tongue tag. Right on the quarter, you've got the metallic silver badged overlay with a red Nike swoosh. On the heel, you've got the Air Max 97 logo, and that is taken straight from the Air Max 97 shoe. On the medial, you got the badge with the Nike swoosh logo as well. On the insole, you've got the Vapormax logo. This is the Vapormax logo that comes with the Vapormax shoes, like, the basic Vapormax. And to complete the shoe, you've got a Vapormax outsole with little black detailing on some of the pods. Overall, I like the shoe. The Air Max 97 upper is a great addition for the Vapormax sole. It looks like a shoe that was basically designed to be this way, like the original shoe design was with the Vapormax outsole. Also, it kind of helps that the Air Max 97 has that kind of futuristic look to it. So the Vapormax sole added to it adds this, kind of like more modern look as opposed to another shoe like an Air Max 1. I don't think it would translate to the Vapormax sole quite as well. Also, this colorway and the metallic gold colorway are some of my favorite Air Max 97s of all time. And when that drops, the metallic gold pair is actually coming soon. And when that drops, I'm gonna pick me up a pair of those as well. And I do like the little black detailing to kind of give some extra durability to the Vapormax sole, because if you're an actual runner, which, you can run in this shoe, there's no reason why you can't, it's gonna wear down quick. I'll tell you that, it's gonna wear down very quick. Now let's get some detailed looks of the shoe, and I'll catch you after the jump.
Ryan Little.
Japan.
Air Vapormax 97 Silver Bullet will hit Nike retailers and Nike.com on April 12th for a retail price of $190.
Alright everyone, this has been another Sole Post unboxing. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell icon so you're kept up with everything we do on the Sole Post channel. Check out solepost.com for more news, sneaker releases, and sneaker info. Also, you can follow us on social media here.
I'm John from Sole Post. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.